Alright guys, Dell's back here for another HTML CSS tutorial. So we're on lesson 9. So in this tutorial guys, some basic ulit. So pag-usapan lang natin ang difference, like the difference between, so very lang to, in common. So I have a cookie here, wait. Yun. So the difference between div versus span. So ayan, ito nilagay ko na. So kasi i-create lang naman niya. Ganun. So, yun guys. 'Di ba so ganito kasi I'm not really kasi the type of guy na on, as I've said, on front end, pero iyan ko pa rin yung parang understanding ko nito. So, eto sinerge ko lang 'to on Google. Wala lang, just sabi So, yun, nung days na like I'm doing like doon, I'm doing some front end naman, like doon nagde-develop kami ng website doon sa project. Gano'n. So, yun, na-encounter ko rin itong div tsaka span. So, importante 'to lalo na sa front end, lalo na in front end, basically in designing, the front end part, yung makikita ng mga users 'pag dineploy mo na yung website mo, gano'n. So, eto, so, yun. So, eto guys, kung meron tayong we have here the div and the span. Kung makikita niyo, so save ko. So, I'll just run this. So, ganyan. So, ganyan, Lana Oil. So, kung makikita nyo, the div guys, the div and the span, same lang sila. Hindi naman talaga same. Kaya naman difference. I mean, same sila. You can put something in there like, ganito, crash, like, you can put text to it. But, the difference between the two, so the difference between span and div is that span element is inline. Inline siya guys. If you're going to put something like sa isang website mo, like something like sa everyone I like something, kunwari may lalagay kayo something na plain text like a note on your website. Well, inline, kumbaga inline siya, inline. Like isang linya lang siya may display ganon. So you can actually you can actually use the span. So kung makikita niyo, eto, yan, tingnan niyo to. Tingnan niyo muna yung difference. So, meron ako ditong open and closing div. So, whatever, like, ito break, sinabi ko na to. So, backslash n lang yan, or next line, kung sa ano. Hello, whatever. Then, another div here is Lana Oil. Yung Okay, so, ganyan. So, magkaibang, ano yung tawag dyan, itong different div, So, yan. Makita. So, dito naman, meron tayong crash, nakaspan, crash, tsaka a plain text here. Then, sa next line is, line 30 is, span sana all. Kung makikita nyo, dito, is, ito yung whatever, tsaka yung hello, whatever, hello, ayun yun, naka-break pala. So, yung Lana Oil, kung titingnan nyo, is naka-next line siya, yung Lana Oil. Ito, di ba? So, naka-next line siya. So, kung titingnan nyo naman sa span, is hindi, crash, pero naka-next line siya, 'di ba? I mean, another span. Pero ang nangyari is inline pa rin siya. Ganyan. So, in one line pa rin siya. So, yan yung ibig sabihin no ng inline, ng span. So, div is for, um, ayun. So, whereas div element is a block line. So, block line, parang in a block. Parang you can use div kasi, like, if meron kang like, gustong something like i-display sa isang website mo na kumbaga in a block, hindi lang siya inline sa isang line gusto mong i-display, like parang in block nga, if you know what I mean na block, like parang hindi lang one line, parang ganito, like pababa, like in a block, pababa din ganyan. So yun lang naman ang difference niyan. Actually, you can also use div. Maraming uses kasi yan kasi mas ma-gets nyo yan kapag like nag-download kayo ng mga templates din, doon yung makita. And you can also use div to you can also use div to bilang niyo siya, parang a division or a section, parang ganon, yung parang you can divide, like parang for example ganito. For example, you have a website like about food ordering system. So ordering system ng website. So, gagawa kayo ng website diyan. So, you can use div to, yung parang to like a division. For example, you can use div. For example, ganito. You can use div like div, ganyan. You can put something like that. You can put some table here, yung previous tutorial, di ba? The table, the tr, blah, blah, blah. Then you can put here, like, for example, anong category, like, anong ginawa na? Like, silogs, mga silog, food, eto, lahat dyan, sa div na ito, lahat dyan, mga silogs na food sa ordering system nyo. Ganun kasi, nagawa kasi kami yung ordering system na silog yung ano. Tapos, meron ka naman ulit na div. Like, you can use it parang group mo ang isang bagay na you want to display in your website. Like that. So, for example, dito naman is like, for example, drinks, ganon. Dito mo ilalagay yung mga drinks. So, you can actually use div to group it, like something like that. So, ito na yung parang, ano mo siya, parang, we can call it like a container ba yun? Or something like a division. Parang, etong div na to is, nandito na sa loob nito is yung mga, tawag dyan, yung mga silogs. So, you can actually, at least organize ang dating. So, kasi in block siya eh, block. Hindi tulad ng span is inline lang siya. Ayun, nakita nyo na ito. Yan. So, yun lang naman guys. Yun lang naman. So, makikita nyo yan once na, pag dumating tayo ng part ng, what the hell was that? So, pag dumating tayo ng part in PHP, so, I will have my PHP. So, yun, we're going to make like login system. Makikita nyo dun yung part na paggawa ng login system ng mga div, ganon. So, ganon lang guys, ganon lang ang basic ano niya. So, no need to worry about, ayun nga, as I've said, W3 schools nandiyan. So, yun. Napakadali lang kasi, pero yun lang talaga yung pinaka-difference niya. Yun lang yung parang experience ko, sinishare ko, like, experience ko about using div and span. Kasi, I tell you, ang hirap pala maging, ang hirap rin. May epekto kasi ito eh, the div. May epekto rin kasi, lalo na in CSS, like, using span and div. Like, lalo na talaga. May epekto yan, like, in CSS. Basta yung, yun iniisip ko, like, I've encountered a problem, like, hindi ko napapausog yung div na to. Like, parang pantay siya dito sa line na to. So may mga CSS something yun. So, yun lang naman guys. Yun lang. Basta tandaan nyo lang about span is inline siya. So, and the div is black. Like, you can use it to group things. Like, for example, as I said, silog dito, like, ganon. Yung parang a division section, division to group, like, yung mga display mo sa website mo. So, yun lang naman guys. Thank you so much for the video. Thank you so much for the subscribers. Yun. So, don't forget to subscribe, guys. And thanks a lot. And I'll see you on the next video.